Unit 2, Lessons 1 and 2. Exercise part number 1. Question number 1. Which of the following is an integer? Point A, negative 31. This number, this is integer or not integer? Yes, this is integer. Okay. B, 7.3. 7.3 is a decimal. It's not integer. Okay. C, negative 3/7. 3/7 is a fraction, so it's not integer. Fraction. D, 0. 0 is integer. Negative 9/9. 9/9 equal 1. So negative 1. Negative 1 is integer. Okay. 14 and 2/5. 14 and 2/5. 2/5 is a fraction with a whole number 14. It's called mixed number. Mixed number isn't a fraction. Okay. 2.71, just a point. It's a decimal number. H, 15/5. 15/5 is improper fraction. Improper fraction, right? Okay. So it's equal to 3 because 3 times 5 equal 15. So 3 is a positive integer. So H is integer. Now we have A, point A, D, E, and H. It's all integer numbers. Next. Now question number 2, complete. The smallest natural number is space. Smallest natural number. What's the natural number? Natural number start with 0 and the positive integer. This is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's no end. It's called natural set. Okay, I need the smallest number. The smallest number is 0. Okay, and the smallest counting number, it's set of counting number. Where is the counting number? Counting number start from 1 and so on to the right. So smallest number, the smallest number here is 1. Okay. B, the smallest positive integer. Positive integer. Where is the positive integer? It's the same as the counting here. This is called positive integer. This indication. Okay. A positive integer, it's the same as the counting number. A counting number, it's the same as the positive integer. Okay. Okay, so the smallest here, just 1. Okay, and the greatest negative integer. Where is the negative integer? A negative integer starts from 0 and to the left. It's called negative integer. Z negative. Okay, okay. I need the greatest number here. Greatest number is the closest one to 0, to the right. So the greatest negative integer is negative 1. Okay. The smallest non-negative. Oh, here we have non-negative. What is the non-negative integer? I know integer is positive and 0 and negative. Non-negative, no negative, I have 0 and the positive. 0 and the positive is called 0 with the positive. This is called natural number. Okay, natural number. What is the smallest number here from the natural? Just smallest one, 0. And the greatest non-positive, okay, integer. I have the positive and 0 and the negative. Non-positive, I have no positive, just negative and 0. Just negative and 0, from 0 and to the left. Okay, what is the greatest one? The greatest digit here is to the right, just 0. Okay, the number space is neither positive nor negative. It's not positive and not negative. Yes, it's 0. 0 is in between the positive integer and the negative integer. So 0 is neither positive neither integer. The integers between negative 3 and 2. Negative 3 and 2. Where is the negative 3? Here. Negative 3 and 2 and 2. What's the integers between them? I have negative 2. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, but 2, no. Okay, these negative integers between negative 3 and 2 are negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. This is the integer between these two integers. Okay, the integer which just next negative 4. Where is negative 4? Here. Negative 4. Note that he asked us about just next. Always I start from left to right. It's start from here. Okay, and going on here to the right. Okay. Any number, this side is a small and get bigger. Okay. So where is negative 4? Negative 4 is here. Next, move to right. Find negative 3. Here integer which just before. Here before, move to left. Where is negative 10? Here negative 10. Move to left. What's the number or the integer here? Negative 11. You have negative 11. Okay, just next move to right, just before move to left. The number of integer between negative 4 and 3. Negative 4 and 3. So we have negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. It's all these integers are in between negative 4 and 3. Okay, by using the line number or just like that. I have negative 4 to the left and negative 3 to the right. Move from here to here. Negative 4 after just after negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. After 2, 3, no, I just between them. Okay, these integers are in between negative 4 and 3. Now, write an integer to represent each situation. Point A. Temperature below 0. When you find the word below, it's mean negative 12. Okay, she's diving 10 meters below sea level. Below sea level, negative 10. Ahmed withdraws 6,000 pounds from his bank account. Withdraw, he pay or he take from his account, bank account, this number. This number is negative. Okay, the tree is 4 meter high. 4 meter high is above, so it's just 4 meter high. Okay, 3 steps forward, forward or backward. Forward and backward. Okay, when you move, you just move, maybe you move forward or backward. Forward will be positive, backward will be negative. Here we have forward, so it's just 3. A bank deposit 750, so deposit your money. Your money is this amount. Okay, so this amount 750 is a positive. Loss or a profit. You have profit positive and loss negative. Any project has a profit or has a loss. Loss, you have lose money. Okay, but profit, you have earned money. Okay, you earn money, it's positive. You lose money, it's negative. Here we have a loss of 20, so 20 is negative. Negative 20. Again, like profit. Again is like profit. You earned 7 kilogram, so 7 kilogram is a positive integer. Profit positive 100. Decrease and increase. Increase is positive, decrease negative, so we have negative 200. Negative 200. If he said that it's an increase, so it will be positive, but decrease is negative. Write the opposite of each integer. Opposite, or maybe he said find the additive inverse. It's the same if he said opposite or additive inverse. Okay, now he said write the opposite. Negative 5. Negative 5, the opposite is just 5. 6, the opposite of 6 is negative 6. 0, 0, it's the same is its own opposite or additive inverse, just 0. Why? Look here, what 6 and negative 6? 6 here and negative 6 here. 6 unit to 0 and here 6 unit to 0. That's why 6 and negative 6 is opposite each other. Okay, but 0, the opposite of 0 is itself. 0, opposite 0. Okay, negative 16, just 16. 1000, negative 1000. Here we have opposite this. Here we have negative 4. Note that this sign just mean opposite. So what is the opposite of negative 4? Negative 4, its opposite 4. The opposite of negative 4 is 4. So what is the opposite of 4? Is negative 4. Okay, again, now this number, this integer, negative 4 is 4. What is the opposite of 4? Is negative 4. Okay. Use the number line, write the integer of each point, then give its opposite. Okay. Point A. What is the integer here? Point A, I just have 0, 1. What's next? 2 and 3. Here. Point A is a 3. So what's the opposite of it? Negative 3. Point B, after 3, 4 and 5. So B is a 5 and the opposite is negative 5. C, What's before negative 1? Negative 2. So C is a negative 2. What's the opposite? Just 2. D. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So D is a negative 5 and its opposite 5. Represent each of the following on the number line. Okay, start 3, negative 4, 1, negative 2. Just a number line like that. Okay, and put figure of 3 here, 3, negative 4, 1, negative 2. Okay, here 6, negative 3, 0, negative 1, 3 and 2. Where is 6? Here, negative 3, 0, negative 1, 3 and 5. Okay, but don't write the other integer, just write this integer to be obviously and clear. Okay, represent each number and its additive inverse. Additive inverse means its opposite. Okay, 3, where 3? Here. Where's its opposite? Here. Negative 4, its opposite. Okay, where is 0? Here. Its opposite just here. 0 is the opposite of itself. Okay, write each statement filling each in blank with the inequality symbol, less than or greater than, that correctly complete the statement. It's very important question. Point A, sorry, negative 7, negative 3. Okay, negative 3 and negative 7. What's the integer? Which one is the greatest? Negative 7 or negative 3? Note that without the negative, I know that 7 is greater than 3. But with negative, I just know that negative 3 is greater than negative 7. Why? Look here, where is negative 3 and where is negative 7? Which one to the right side? Oh yeah, negative 3 to the right of negative 7, so negative 3 is greater than negative 7. But if you ask about 3 and 7, you find that positive 7 is greater than 3. Okay, so if it's positive, of course 7 is greater than 3, but with the negative 3 is greater than negative 7. Just like here, 8 and 0, of course 8. 3 and 4, of course 4. 2 and negative 9. Any positive is greater than any negative, because all positive to the right and all positive to the right and all negative to the left. Of course, all positive is greater than any negative. Okay, 0 and negative 6, of course 0. 2 and negative 2, of course 2 is greater than negative 2. Arrange in ascending order. To start arrange, note that here is the smallest and here is the greatest, right? Because this part is positive and this part is negative. Okay, I need to arrange ascending order. Ascending order. Does this mean to start with the smallest to greatest? Right? So where is this integer on the number line? I have 1, negative 4, negative 1 and 3. What's integer is the smallest one? Just negative 4, then negative 1, then 1 and last 3. I moved from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, Last question, this part. I need to arrange descending. Descending, it's mean from greatest to smallest, right? This means I will move from, where is the greatest? Positive. I will from positive to the negative. Okay, we will move from right to left, because here it's positive and here negative. Of course, it's positive greater than negative. Where is this number? Let's write P. 8. Negative 13. Where is negative 13? Negative 13 here. Okay. Negative 19. Of course, negative 19 is here, right? Where is 0? Here. Negative 15. Negative 15 between negative 13 and negative 18. Note that we will write this. Okay. I just have 8. 8, of course, it's here. And negative 13 may be here. Negative 19 here. And 0. And negative 15. Negative 15 in between negative 13 and negative 19. So it's here. Okay. Now I can imagine that the greatest integer here is 8, then 0, negative 13, negative 15, and the last one is negative 19, and this is the smallest integer. Okay, and now we reach to end of part 1 exercise. Thank you.